Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the E drive not showing in Windows 11, 10 or 7. The drive is missing on your computer, for example. So you can try to open computer management. You can try to search in, you can type in here on search feature. And after that you can click storage, click disk management. So as you can see, I do have only two disks, C and D. For example, if you don't have the D1, you have to check your disk. You have to check, maybe if you are a PC user, you can try to shut down your computer, try to reconnect or plug out, and then plug in your the CD-ROM, or I mean the hard disk or SSD that you installed on your PC. And after that, try to open again the computer management, or maybe if you understand BIOS, you can try to enter the BIOS first to see if your disk is readable. So here how you can check out your disk on computer management. Here you can format, you can shrink, even you can change drive letter path, for example, and delete the volume. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.